Hello guys, mayong adlaw. Kuyogin sad ko sa akong pag self study guys sa Korean vocabulary for EPS topic exam. Elgwa, the daily routine. Ironada, to get up. Shitda, to wash. Atchimul mukda, to have breakfast. Oisae kada, to go to work. GP Oda, to come home. Jumshimul mukda, to have lunch. Sweda, to take a rest. Il Hada, to work. Jangul Buddha, to go grocery shopping. Yuriada, to cook. Jonyugol Mokda, to have dinner. Kupirul Mashida, to drink coffee. Jada, to sleep. Junwa Hada, to call. Televisional Buddha, to watch television. Ondong Hada, to work out. Okay guys, thank you.